and welcome
to Scott Tyndall's Home Shop.
Yes, I am Scott.
And I am Tira.
And we hope you enjoy the following video, so stay tuned.
Uh-oh.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, dear. What are we doing right now? Do you know? Do you know? Oh, you fell over.
We're taking off screws in a gasket for, to replace the door gasket. If we can get this, taking the screws out. Right there. That's it.
They said just loosen them on the video, but
Taking them out.
I think it's going to be a lot easier to take out.
Now we're gonna come down here. Now we're gonna come over here.
Alright. You're showing a good shot of my legs there.
I was sitting up, I bet.
Alright.
Turn your head now. Alright.
Hold on. There we go. Yeah, there's no glue in it. I bought the glue for no reason. Uh-oh.
Can you sit it back?
Wait a minute.
Alright, get away.
Crap.
Here, I'll take the screw out.
You going to, no, maybe it's behind the seat.
Oh.
I didn't see that.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, baby.
We're back.
Pull that back. Right down here.
Put your finger. Ow! Well, never mind, that was you.
Put that right here.
I'm gonna leave my fingers,
Pull it here. Watch out,
Come on, come on.
you can all the way around. There you go. Now. I don't know. Make sure it's all the way around. Alright. So we push this back all the way into here. It can't go back any further. So I pushed it back hard as I can to make sure that it's in there. And now we want to cut it about 1/8 of an inch too long. And I'm using the shears because it's a metal strip in there you have to cut. And I wanted it cut nice and straight. Now, see, that'll go together like that.
Yeah,
Now we have to put that little hose in. That's what the Windex is for. So you squirt a little Windex up in there. And you squirt a little Windex. Oops, get out of the way. Little Windex on there. And now you push that together. Alright. Now we got to take this right here. There we go. Uh-oh.
yes! Battery's too low to use fast. We got this down here. For Daddy.
Yep. Alright. Then you just put all the trim.
Back on.
You just put all the trim back on. Now let's see how the door closes.
Come on! My ears!
It ain't gonna close.
You gotta put the
May
things
have
on
to,
first.
huh?
You have to put the things on first, don't you?
There's more trim right here. Oh, it's just an extra piece. Now, one thing we gotta do is, well, let's get the trim put on.
Okay. Well,
Alright. Thanks for watching.
bye-bye!